Want to learn how you can start making money online for free just by using your voice? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm gonna share with you a place that I just discovered, right? And this is a cool way that anybody, pretty much anybody, can start making money online for free just by using your voice. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about doing voiceovers. This is probably like the third or fourth video I've ever done on voiceover work, and that's because people are making money doing this, right? And there's a website out called Voices.com. It's a site where you can join absolutely free, and this will allow you to create your own profile and actually be invited to audition for different voiceover gigs. Now, some of the main gigs that you can actually get hired for are things like audio books, commercials, like e-learning courses, online courses, and stuff like that. Explainer videos. Those are very, very popular when it comes to voiceover work these days. And because of what's going on in the world, especially right now with like the pandemic stuff going on, a lot of people are looking for ways that they can make money from home, essentially working from home. And the cool thing about Voices.com is you can pretty much work at your own schedule. Once you sign up, have your profile, you can actually, whenever you get invited to a gig or anything like that, when it's time to create the job, you do the job. If hired for it, you do it whenever you want to do it. You know what I mean? That you get a time frame, a deadline. But if you want to do it in the mornings, you can do it in the mornings. You want to do it in the middle of the night, you can do it, right? As long as you get it done. Now, with Voices.com, keep in mind, it's absolutely free to create a profile, but yes, they do have an upgrade for those that are more serious about trying to, make a career out of voiceover work, or you just want more exposure, so to speak. So they do have an upgrade membership, which is, I've seen it as $499 a year. So that breaks down to about, 40, maybe 40 bucks a year, 40 something. I mean, like 40 bucks a month, 40 something dollars a month. I think it equals out to that. With the upgrade, looking into it, you do get more features, you get more training sessions that you can actually get involved with. I believe you get higher rankings as an upgrade member, and you actually get, instead of only being able to audition if you're invited, you actually can submit to other jobs if you do have an upgraded membership. Now, can you get hired for gigs without an upgrade membership? From what I've seen, you absolutely can. So if you don't want to upgrade and you don't find it necessary, you don't feel like you want to do that right now, you don't have to. If you just want to get started with voiceover work, trying to get jobs, you can do so starting today. Now, are you guaranteed if you create a free profile or even upgrade it, or you guaranteed work? No. But you do have the opportunity to start getting paid for voiceover work. All right. A lot of people are doing this. A lot of people are doing voiceover work from home. Right. So looking at different review places, I did see where pretty much it has like a 3.5 review on. This was a couple sites I seen. Basically, it's, from what I've seen, the people that didn't like it or fare well with their review was people who said they didn't get any work, they did a lot of submissions, and they didn't get any results. Right. Now, a lot of positive reviews say that it's a great opportunity. It really helped them earn some extra money. A lot of people say like it was a game changer for them doing voiceover work. So it was a lot more favorable reviews about Voices.com than there were negative. But obviously, with anything, it's going to be positive and negative. But yeah, guys, I mean, this is just another opportunity that you can take advantage of if you're interested in voiceover work. And like I said in previous videos, some people will be like, nah, this ain't for me because, my voice ain't what it needs to be. My voice ain't, you know, that's an excuse. You watch TV, you be online, right? You watch YouTube videos, you listen to audiobooks. How many different voices have you heard? Even in like character shows. I mean, there's opportunities for maybe, a cartoon type voice or a silly voice or old man or a monster type voice, a gruffly voice, a high pitched voice, a deep voice. There are opportunities out there, guys, but if you really want to start getting into it, yeah, you do got to put a little work into it, grind with it until you start getting those gigs and start getting that money, right? So voices.com is a way that you can start working from home, right? On your own time, own schedule, and you can start absolutely free. All right. So I'll put a link below if you want to check out voices.com, you can do so. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what you waiting for? Subscribe. I got a lot of content coming. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.